here and make a video about something that I have been just loving lately, and that is the brand Norwex. So if you guys aren't familiar with it, like I wasn't familiar with it even a couple months ago, it is a healthy brand of cleaning products and microfiber towels and rags. And they're really, I think, revolutionary because they have something in it called Baclock, which is like an antibacterial, antimicrobial component of them, and it really helps. So if you go to the store and you just get microfiber rags, like I used to see those things and I was just like, what is the point of that, you know? But now that I've seen Norwex, which has the Baclock in it, it's just amazing. And so I went to a Norwex party a couple weeks ago, or maybe even longer than that, and I hopped on the Norwex bandwagon and I'm just loving it. So I want to show you some of my favorite things. If any of you guys are interested in any of these items, just click on the link down below and it'll take you to my friend Stacy. She sells Norwex. I have no affiliate with it. I don't get a kickback or anything like that. I just really want to tell you guys about these things because they're natural. You know, it's a way to clean with just water, and I love that. Anytime you can get away from chemicals and all these things that are in our environment, it's good to do. When you have a road and you can go the toxic route or the non-toxic route, I always want to go the non-toxic route because we're already bombarded with all these chemicals and things like that on a daily basis. So it's like in my home, and especially for my pets, and if someday I have children, I want things to be non-toxic. So I want to get started. This is a pretty pink window cloth. So if you hear clanking around, that's Lou in the background, but my cat. But this is a window cloth. You can obviously use these on windows. You can use this on stainless steel. I love using it on my granite because it makes it extra shiny. So this is a window cloth. I love it. They always have pretty colors and all these things. You can get dark colors and things like that, but I love the green ones and the yellow ones and the pink ones and stuff like that. This is a kitchen cloth, so it's just a multi-purpose. You can use it on your granite, on your stove, anything like that. This is a car cloth, so you can take Norwex not only in the home, but also out in your car. So I definitely plan on using this because my car definitely needs a little TLC, and I'm sure most of you guys can relate to that. These are really cool. These are napkins, so obviously they're the fabric, they have the Baclock in it, and what I love most about Norwex is that everything is washable. So I'm somebody that is a self-professed clean freak. I mean, I wash my bath mats once a week. I'm always washing things, and so the fact that all of these things are washable, including like the mop pads, which I'm getting ready to talk about, it's just amazing to me. So one thing that I'm really blessed to have is the Norwex mop. I have it right here. So the pads stick onto here. It's super easy with Velcro, and you can twist this mop out, make it a lot taller, make it shorter, depending on what you want to clean. So they have a wet pad and a dry pad. This is the wet pad. And then the yellow one is a dry cloth, which I really love because I have two cats and they are hairy. One is a long hair. Sometimes I just want to brush all the cat hair in a pile and vacuum it up. So I really love the dry cloth and obviously the wet cloth. So I've been mopping. I have a steam mop that I've had for years, and then I have just some cheap mop I got where you spray water. So and I've been mopping with those for months and months, and the steam mop for years. And the last weekend I mopped with the Norwex mop with just water, and my floors are cleaner than they've ever been. I don't know why, but these cloths are amazing, and I really, really love the mop. There's more accessories that you can get for that. There's more things that you can do, but I am still a newbie, so I've really just used the dry cloth and the wet cloth, but I love them very much. So this next cloth is called the fruit and veg cloth. So it's real textured. I know you guys can't feel it obviously, but it's real coarse, and it's really good for, especially if you eat inorganic, just getting those pesticides off, getting the wax off apples and things like that. This is something I'm definitely going to use. You guys know I love fruits and veggies, so this is a staple in my kitchen. Favorite, but this is my second favorite in the whole Norwex line, and this is just the basic Enviro cloth. So you can use this for anything. I use it for my sinks, my granite counters, cleaning. You could even clean the bathtub with this, but my favorite thing that I'm going to talk about next is really best for the bathtub and things like that. But this is just your basic EnviroCloth. Once again, it has the back lock in it. When I went to Norwex party, Stacy, who is the friend I know who sells it, she did this demonstration where she put like chicken on a counter, which we all know is yucky and full of bacteria and stuff like that. And then she tested it with a little swab, and then she wiped it down with just the EnviroCloth, which has the back lock in it, and then she tested it again and it was all clean. So it's really amazing what you can do with just water in these Norwex cloths. This next one is just another kitchen cloth, but in like a really pretty burgundy color. And here is a new window cloth in a purple color. And then this is just the EnviroCloth, but this is wet right now. I just grabbed it off my kitchen sink, but this is just pink. This is my favorite color of the EnviroCloths. And lastly, I want to talk about my favorite thing in Norwex, and I don't have it right now, but I will insert a picture. It's just, it's called the Bathroom Scrub Mitt. So you put your hands as like a glove, and it has one side is texturized, one side is soft, and it keeps your hands clean, basically. So I will go in and I will scrub my sinks, I will scrub down my bathtub, my counters, and it is my favorite. And then you just wring it dry, and you can reuse it. So all of these things you can reuse, like even the mop cloths, you can rinse them out real good, wring them out, hang them to dry. And then the mop I would probably maybe use like twice, but the EnviroCloths, I use them all week, even sometimes a week and a half, and then you wash it in hot water. And you want to wash these things with non-toxic laundry detergent. So Norwex sells laundry detergent, but right now I have a lot of laundry detergent that I've got just from like a natural grocery store. It's fragrance free. You don't want to wash these things with Tide because it will ruin the fibers. You want always non-toxic, fragrance free, stuff like that. Or if it's not fragrance free, something that's scented with essential oils would be my opinion. So anyway, I love Norwex, so if you want to check it out, click on the link down below. It is something that has changed my life because I was always buying sprays and stuff from natural grocers and things like that, but still those things add up, and once you get these towels, these will last you a long time, and you just wring them out with water, wash them gently, and just reuse them and reuse them and reuse them, and that is what I plan to do. So I'm just tickled with Norwex, and I think you guys should really check it out. So I appreciate you guys so much for watching this. Click like, subscribe to my videos, check out my website, victoriarawvegan.com, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
If there's a question of my heart, you got it. It don't belong to anyone but you. Hey, if there's a question of my love, you got it. Baby, don't worry, I got